Folks, what if creating a professional ad was no longer a process of countless tools, but just one photo and a prompt? That's the power of SellerPic, combining Nano Banana edits with VO3 video in a single flow. My name is Daniel, and in today's video, I'll show you how this platform works step by step. You'll see what makes it stand out and how it can save you time while keeping your content consistent. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive into it. Alright, my friends, let's break down what SellerPic actually is and why it's causing such a buzz in the content creation space. It's an advanced platform that combines image generation and video creation into one seamless workflow. Think of it as your entire creative team packed into a single tool. It uses the proprietary Nano Banana model, powered by Gemini 2.5 Flash for image stability, plus VO3 technology for instant video generation. Guys, the consistency factor makes SellerPic different from other tools. When you edit an image with prompts, the model remembers everything: facial features, lighting, and positioning. Your character stays perfectly identical across multiple edits. Folks, the tool targets e-commerce sellers and content creators who need high-quality visuals fast. It can generate clean product shots and also create natural lifestyle visuals. On top of that, it turns your work into ready-to-post video ads. So folks, time to jump onto the actual website and test out the features that SellerPic offers. The homepage is organized into different panels. One of them focuses on fashion modeling, another is built around video creation. There's also a space for product visuals, and editing features are available too. It's super convenient that all these tools are gathered in one place, without switching between different platforms. Guys, let's head to Instruct Edit from the left panel and see what we can generate with simple prompts. I'll upload a model photo and ask to add glasses to her face. The platform handles this task beautifully. The glasses look completely organic, and most importantly, the model remains unchanged. You can see that perfect consistency I was talking about. Friends, now I can move right into the edit section and write another prompt to adjust the background this time. Excellent result. Neither the model's appearance nor her clothing changed at all. Guys, let me ask it to change the color of the blouse she's wearing. Perfect! The update happened exactly as requested. The garment itself didn't change, only the color shifted, which is useful when you need to test how products look in different situations. And if you prefer manual tweaks, folks, SellerPic gives you extra tools to adjust your images. You can replace or remove backgrounds, retouch details, and enhance colors. There's even a magic eraser for cleaning up small parts. And if you need more finishing touches, you can send the results straight to Canva. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Alright, let's move on to Virtual Try-on, which works in two ways. First, I'll use the Nano Banana model. I add a dress and a model photo, then ask the system to apply it. Friends, the result is not exactly what I wanted. It doesn't look completely natural. You can spot that artificial effect feel. Plus, the dress itself appears somewhat different. The background was also changed, which is not what we need. On top of that, the model's face looks different, so the consistency with the original is lost. But there's another more reliable way to try clothes on models. Using the SellerPic tool, I need to select the clothing item I'll upload. Folks, in our case, it's a one-piece garment. Now we need to choose a model to put it on. There are quite a few options here, and I can filter them easily. But I'll stick to the same model during this comparison. Friends, we can highlight the dress area on her. This indicates where the clothes will be fitted, and it's easy to edit if needed. There's also a pose variation option, where I can immediately select a pose I like, but we'll get to that later. Let's generate the image. We immediately get 4 variations showing the dress and the woman. Both look lifelike and realistic. Guys, the dress aligns with our original image far better, while the model remains fully consistent. The clothing itself looks more natural too, with lace-edged details showing up nicely. This is where you really see the difference. SellerPic look fit results are significantly better than Nano Banana for virtual try-on applications. Now time to check out the pose changer tool, folks. I'll use the image we just generated. You can select the ones that interest you most. I'll choose these 5 poses and hit generate. Here's our result. The poses are clearly preserved with different interesting variations. The person looks quite natural in all of them. Guys, this is incredible because you can use this for your projects and products. This is how you achieve scale. A complete model photoshoot in under a minute from one starting image. Folks, let's see if we can use instructed edit as a continuous conversation. I'll add a photo of two models and create a setting where I want to see them. Look at this. The models are clearly preserved exactly as I uploaded them, only their poses changed. And as requested, backpacks were added. The background was also modified naturally. Friends, now I can even move them to a cafe and see what happens. All the characters remain the same, only the setting changed, which is extremely convenient for experimenting with different situations without losing consistency. Finally, let's talk about video ads, my friends. I'll upload this photo of two girls in the city and select the Google Veo 3 model. The next step is to insert the prompt. For example, I want the women to smile and wave hands. You can also enable synchronized audio generation. Just watch the result, guys. The video is incredibly realistic, the women move naturally, and nothing breaks the overall composition. There's even music added automatically, which makes it perfect for posting on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Folks, the video animation is incredibly accurate and consistent. Because Veo 3 uses my generated image as the start frame, the model's face and product details are preserved perfectly in motion. And that's the full loop, from still images to lifelike video with audio. SellerPic ties the entire content creation process into one seamless workflow. Okay, folks, time to sum it up. SellerPic takes you from prompt-based edits to realistic try-ons to full photo shoots with Post Changer, and finally to video ads with Veo 3. It is not just another editing tool. It feels like your entire creative team inside one platform. Friends, you can get ready to post video ads and even publish them with a single click by connecting your social media accounts inside the SellerPic app. If you're a store owner, it also integrates directly with your Shopify store. That's a huge time saver and a reliable way to keep your content looking professional. So try this seamless workflow yourself via the link in my description. Guys, I'd love to hear about your content creation challenges in the comments, so share your thoughts with me. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.